Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the exponents and powers. This is part 2. We already have made a part 1 of this video, and there we discuss the basic things related to exponents and powers. What is base, what is power, what is index, what is exponents, we discuss in that video. So I suggest you to watch that video earlier and then you come and watch this video. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So this is first law, sorry, this is first law 1, and in this law you have seen a to the power m. Okay, let me change it to my pen. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. What does it mean actually? Whenever you have the same base, that is, in here the base is a, in here the base is a, they both are having same base and they are multiplied. Note that, and they are multiplied. So what we will do in that case, to write the product, we can simply write the base here, and as the power we can write the sum of these powers, m plus n. Okay, so this is the this is what we have done. So let us see with this example. Suppose you have 3 to the power 5. Okay, suppose you have 3 to the power 5 and you have 3 to the power 7. In an ideal way, what will you do? You will just find out the 3 to the power 5. That means you will write 3 how many times? 5 times you will write, and after that you will write 3 to the power 7. That is, how many 3's you will write? 7 3's you will write. Yes or no? So in total you have 12 3's now. So that is what we can write, 3 to the power 12. Okay, simply you need to do to put the base here and write the powers as the sum of the powers. 5 plus 7. Remember, my dear student, it only happens when there is multiplication sign. Okay, never confused here. So let us see the other one, law 2. This is the second law, and as we have learned, the first law was what? It is related to the multiplication, but in this law we will discuss about the division. The same condition, the bases must be same. Okay, the bases must be same, and in that case, whenever it is division, the powers will be subtracted, m minus n, a to the power m minus n. So I think it is clear. So let us see with an example. Suppose you have 15 to the power 9. You have 15 to the power 9 and it is divided by 15 to the power 4. So in that case, what we can write? We can write 15 to the power 9 minus 4. Is it clear? So from, if you subtract 4 from 9, then you will have 15 to the power 5. So simply you just have to put the base like this 15, and as the power we will write the subtraction or the difference of the powers. Okay, remember, my dear student, you have to subtract 4 from 9. Don't subtract 9 from 4. I have told you that to put the difference, just don't put the difference only. You have to subtract the second power from the first power. Okay, if you do not do so in that way, then your maths will be wrong definitely. So let us see the third law. In this law, this is actually called powers of power. Whenever someone is telling that powers of power, then you have to keep this image in your mind. Suppose you have a to the power m, a to the power m. Okay, this one, a to the power m, and it is whole to the power n. It is whole to the power n. So in that case, the powers will be multiplied. The powers will be multiplied. You need to just put the base here like this, and the powers will be multiplied together, m into n. That will be your answer. So let us see with an example. 3 square, you have 3 square whole to the power 4. 3 square whole to the power 4. So here in this case, the powers are 2 and 4. Okay, powers, a power of power. Okay, the power is 4 of whose? It is the power of 3 squared. So square is itself a power, and the 4 is the power of that square. Okay, so in that case you have to multiply the powers. That is 3 to the power 2 into 4, that is 3 to the power 8. I hope it is clear with you. So let us see the next law, that is In this case, you see this one. In here, a to the power m and into b to the power n. What is the difference between the first law and this law? In the first law, the bases were same. If you have noticed, the bases were same, and that is the basic things in the law of first law. Okay, but in this law, you have seen the bases are not same here. In fact, they are different. Okay, a and b, but you have seen here the power is m here and the power is m here. That means in both the cases, in both the number, that is in here the power is m, in here the power is m, so the power is common here. So what we will do, we will write the product of the base, that is a into b whole to the power the common power, that is n. Is it clear? So let us see with an example. 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. In this case, the base is 2. In this case, the base is 3. Both are the same, not same. And the power is 5 here and the power is 5 here. That means the powers are same here. So what we will do? We will multiply the base, that is 2 into 3, and the power will be 5. Why it is 5? Because of common power. Okay. So in that way, your result will be 6 to the power 5. Let us see the fifth law. So in my laptop I could not write the fraction properly, so I wrote a piece of paper with my sketch pen. So in here you have seen a to the power m and b to the power m. Okay, both are having different base, but they are having same power, and in this case they are divided. Okay, they are divided. So what we will do, we will write the base as a quotient, that means in the division form, a by b. A by b is a fraction, but it is commonly known as fraction, but we the fact or the main thing behind it is a division. Yes or no? It is a division fact. So a by b, that is a divided by b whole to the power m, that is the common power. Is it clear? So we will try to understand with an example. 15 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 7. What we will do? We will divide the 15 by 5 first. Okay, the bases are divided, and the power, the common power will come here, that is 7. So our answer is 3 to the power 7. Why it is 3? Because 5 3s are 15. That's why it is 3 to the power 7. Is this clear? Let us see the law 6, and it is very interesting. What is that? It is 0. Okay, this one is 0. So a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, we call it naught. A naught. Remember, my dear student, a naught, or sometimes some says a to the power 0 and some says a naught. Okay, a naught equal to 1. But a cannot be 0. It is very important. A cannot be 0. A cannot be 0. That means 0 to the power 0 is not 1. In fact, it is undefined. Remember, it is undefined. 0 to the power 0 is undefined. So why it is undefined? If you want to know, then comment in the comment section, and I will tell you in another part of this video. So now a naught equals to 1. It means what? Whenever you have something and the power is 0, it is equal to 1. It doesn't matter what is the base. Just the base cannot be 0. Here you have seen a cannot be 0. That means the base cannot be 0. The powers, if the power is 0 of any real number, then the result is 1, whatever be the number. So I have written some examples. 5 naught. Okay, 5 naught is equal to 1. 100 naught is equal to 1. 200 naught is equal to 1. 300 naught is equal to 1. 20 lakh crore naught is equal to 1. Whatever the number, the base, okay, just accept 0. It cannot be 0. And if they have the power 0, power should be 0, then the answer will be 1. Is it clear? So it is the 6th law. And 7th law, here I am, 7a. It is what? 7a. a. That means in the lower 7 you have two laws, you will get two law. This is the first law of the law 7. So 7a, I am just subcategorize it. So it is what? A to the power minus n. The power is minus n. You have already know what is reciprocal, I hope. So if you know what is reciprocal, then it is very clear with you. So a to the power minus n is equal to what? 1 by a to the power n. Then you have seen here the minus sign has been vanished. Okay, so to remove this minus sign, you can write 1 by a to the power n. So with an example, you try to understand 5 to the power minus 3. It is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 3 itself. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Then the second law of the law 7. Okay, here we will use a fraction. Say you have a by b whole to the power minus n. Say you have a by b whole to the power minus n. In that case, the base or the fraction, here we have used a by b. It will change into its reciprocal, that is b by a, and the power will become positive. That means earlier we have negative n, and in this case it will change to positive n. Okay, what we have changed here? Only the base. The base is what? A by b here. So a by b has changed to its reciprocal, that is b by a. Reciprocal means what? Upside down. Numerator will change to denominator, denominator will change to numerator. Okay, so 5 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. You try to understand with this example. 5 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, the power is negative 3, minus 3. To make it positive 3, you just need to change this 5 by 2 into its reciprocal, that is 2 by 5. So I think you have understood this. So thanks for watching. So this is the end of this video, and if you have found this video useful, then please subscribe my channel, and also like the video and share the video with your friends and family. Okay, so at the last I just want to say God bless you all.